Okay, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make your hardcover notebook, hardcover journals or jotters. So in the other video, I taught you guys how to make a paperback. Now, one thing about this hardcover is that hardcover is durable, is more durable, it lasts longer. Everybody loves the hardcover because when you buy it, it's going to last longer for you, and it sells higher in Amazon. So you have a higher chance to get more money. Publishing hardcover journals or notebooks. You understand? In this video, I'm going to be teaching. Now, we're going to be going to our hardcover calculator. Now, in this video, we're going to be doing 120 pages of the hardcover notebook. You understand? So we are going to go to our Opera Mini. We're going to search for we're going to calculate our hardcover, and note is 6 by 9. Our interior measurement 6 by 9. So we're going to be searching, we're going to be calculating our what cover, our cover page. So we'll know using our interior, so we'll know the amount of um um the measurement we are going to use. You understand? You know, the interior is different from the exterior. We're going to use the interior to know the measurement. So you go to Amazon cover download. Just go to Amazon cover download. Now remember this is what we're looking for. So when you get to this place, you are going to start from a band. So pay attention. Some of you don't know what you're going to put here. So pay attention in this video. If you don't understand, go through the video again and again. Now our binding time, remember, is hardcover, not paperback. Hardcover we're doing now. Our interior is black and white, you know. So our paper type is white paper. Then our turn is left to right, left to right. Now our measurement is always in inches. Remember, always in inches. Now our interior size is 6 by 9. I told you our interior size, and we're going to be doing 120 pages. Then let's calculate the dimension. Click on calculate dimension. Now this website, Amazon website, it shows you the measurement of the hard cover. Now what we do now, when you look up here, you see the full cover. This is a measurement. Now this is the front cover. So let us download first the template. Click on download template. Then it downloads automatically to your phone. So next thing you're going to do now, you are going to go to your files. Now remember, the template downloaded as a zip file. You are going to extract it. Now go to your files, go to download, then you see the file. This is the file. So I've extracted it. One is for PDF, the other one is for normal JPEG image. So uncompress it, that is, you're going to extract it. And when you have extracted it, this is the thing you're going to be seeing here. This is the file itself. Now this one now is a zip file, and this is when you extract it. This one is when you extract it. You get that? So now what you're going to do now is to click on it. It shows you one is PDF. You already know it shows one as a JPEG image. So click on the image. When you click on the image, you zoom it. Now you zoom it now. This you already know now that this is your front page, this is your back page. Now this is where your barcode will be. You already know this is where your barcode will be. So now after that, what you do is to zoom it. When you zoom it, you are going to look at what we are going to copy now to go and do our hardcover in Canva. Now this is your what, your length. Remember, it's in inches. This is your length. This 14.034, and this is your height. You understand? Sorry, again, this is your width. This is your width. Then this one is your what, your height. You get it? So we're going to copy these two numbers. Remember, it's in inches. Then remember, always look out for this, a 120 page, and look out for this hardcover. Do you get it? So let's continue. First, copy those measurements. Copy those measurements. We're going to use it on Canva. So what you need to do now is to go to Canva. Remember, we're going to be using Canva. You click on your Canva app. Now, for some of you, maybe this is your first time of using Canva. You register using your email or your Facebook. Register. After registering, this is the interface you are going to see. Now, we are going to be making a new, you can choose any template, but now we are using a new template. Just click on this addition button to create new template. Then we'll go to custom size. Then remember, it is in not pixel. Remember, it is not pixel, it's going to be in inches. So change it to inches. Then remember those measurements we have gotten. You are going to input those measurements. Let's go and get it again. So our width now, our width is 14.41, sorry, 14.034. Then our height is going to be 10.417. Then create new design. It's going to show us our templates now. So this is our workspace. This is the our workspace we're going to be using for this. Now what you need to do now, go to this add button, go to your gallery. Remember that image that we've gotten from that file that we downloaded. So you import that image into your workspace. We're going to be modeling it. It's going to serve as our model. We're going to be using it as our guideline. Then what you need to do, let me do it what I did again. When you import it, you drag it to the top end, then drag it down to make sure it fits the square. Make sure it fits the rectangle, sorry. Make sure it fits the rectangle. So now the next thing we are going to do is, what you need to know is that if you will notice our paper bag, this red line, this pink lining is smaller than this in our paper bag, but in hardcover is bigger. Now what this means is that when you are writing anything writing, apart from your background, anything writing, don't allow it to pass this pink line. Let everything you are writing be in that white box inside. The same thing here. Once it passes here, Amazon is going to reject, or it's going to cut it. And when it cuts it, it's going to spoil what you have written. So make sure everything is inside the box. Don't allow it to touch the pink lining and the pink line. You understand? So let's move on from here. Now, since this is our guideline, now we're going to import our background. What background do you want to use? Which background do you want to use? Now I'm going to be using a pink background. Go to square, your elements. I'm going to just follow this very well. Go to elements, choose square. So it's pink already. I'm going to be using a pink square. You see it, yeah? Now what you're going to do now, you are going to reduce the transparency. So we'll be seeing that our guideline, reduce the transparency. You see that? So you see what we are doing. Now we're going to import a design to design this pink background. Do you see that? So what you need to do, go to addition. Now go to photos. This is where the canva photos is being stored. Now we're going to search for flowers now. So when you have imported the flower, what you do, you have to, let's reduce the size. Then after that, we're going to duplicate it. Let's duplicate it. We're going to use this flower to design on this cover, this background. Now after that, what you're going to do now is to go and let's put something. Let's get our shapes. Let's see what we're going to do with that. Go to shapes. So we're going to shape. Let's change the color to white. We're just doing a simple design, so you can do better than this. Let's change it. Remember, don't allow anything you're writing past that pink line. You understand? So let's do it very well. Let's drag this down. Let's check the measurement. Awesome. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's write something. Let's get our text. Go to this plus button. Let's just write something like happy notebook. Get that? Let's write like happy notebook. Okay, see it, happy birthday. Awesome. Let's take this happy birthday text. Okay, let's change this. Let's put it happy. Then the next one, let's put journal. Happy journal. Get it? So that's it. Now bring that happy down. Let's take this journal up. Sorry. And remember, we're going to change the color. Let's change the color to pink, so it will, let's change the color. Okay, or rather let's leave it at, okay, okay, let's leave it like this. Okay, you can do more than this, sha. Okay, this is it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to erase this, that template we have under. We're going to erase that template. So let's bring down this one down. Our pink background. Then normal, that's one we downloaded. Let's delete it. You see that? So after that, let's increase the transparency of our pink background. Hope you are following. So this is our what journal. This is our journal hardcover cover page. You see it. So what we're going to do now, let's go and save. This is a simple design. You guys can do more than this. This is even small safe. You can do more than this. So let's go to save. Let's go to save. What you need to do is, okay, sorry. So we're going to save, and if once you want to save, just click on this. You see this stuff here. Oh, this my app is, let's see. Okay, click on this. Click on this. Once you want to save this, just click on there. When you click on there, see what it's going to show you. So you click on this download. Click on the download. So it's going to take you to this place. Now when it takes you to this place, you're going to click on this png, this png. Remember, this cover page will be printed in Amazon. It will be printed when someone buys it. So you're going to print it as pdf print. Remember, don't forget that, because if you don't do it as pdf print, Amazon will not collect it, because it needs to be printed for the customers that are going to buy your cover page. So click on pdf print, then click on save download settings, then download. Very simple. This is our cover page. Now I'm going to also, in this video, I'm going to also show you how to do your interior. So it has downloaded. Now what we're going to do now, it has downloaded, so we have to go and do our interior. Right now, go to this home here. Go to this home here, and you click on this addition button, this plus here. Then we're going to do our, remember it's in inches, not pixel. Now remember, our interior is going to be 6 by 9. 6, then the height is 9. Remember, this is hardcover we are doing. So it's loading. So this is our workspace now, our template, 6 by 9 template. So we have to come and put our lines. Remember, it's a journal where you write, or it's notebook where you write. So it's going to be lined journal. The other video in paperback, I taught you how to go to the wizard interior book board to get your interior. But here we're going to do our interior by ourselves. You understand? So go to your elements. You click on this line you're seeing here. It's going to automatically import, so you will drag it up. Drag it up. So we're going to reduce the line weight, reduce it to 2. Yeah, let's reduce to 2. Awesome. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to import on that one too. Import on that one. So drag it up here, and also reduce it to 2. Reduce it to 2, so it will have space when you're writing. Then stretch it. Remember, don't allow it to pass this. You see this box, this purple box, don't allow it to pass it. Then what you need to do now is to duplicate. Just duplicate it. Okay, when you duplicate it, you arrange it, because we are going to also duplicate it now. This is how you'll be duplicating it. You get it now? Very simple, very very simple, very very simple, very very simple. Now the next thing I'm going to do now, let's design. Let's just put a little design in this our interior. So let's use this one. Let's put it here. So also let's duplicate it too, because we're going to use it for this side too. Then flip it in the other direction so it will make sense. Okay, so but what we're going to do now, we're going to reduce the transparency so it will not block the person that is writing, when you're writing. This one too, you reduce the transparency. Do you see how we did it? This is very very simple, very simple. So what we need to do now is to come to this place. Okay, just click on this button here. Click on this button here. When you click on this button, it's going to bring you to this place where we are going to multiply. Remember, it's 120 pages. So now, but what we need to do now, we have to make when you buy a notebook or a journal, you see the first page is always blank. So we're going to make a blank first page. You get it? So we're going to make another one by clicking the addition. Then drag this one to this place. You understand? Then we'll delete this one. So you see our first page is blanked. You understand? So let's design this first page. Let's design it. Double click it. So let's just design this first page. Maybe let's go to shapes. Let's design this first page. Okay, let's change the color to black or to pink self, because our back cover page is pink. So let's change pink. Well, if they print it, it's going to also be black. So let's change to black. Sorry. Okay, this is it. So let's take it up, then drag it down. Let's make something like this. So we'll go to our text. So you see what I did here now? So I changed the font. I wrote this journal belongs to, then dash. So that is it. Now we'll back to this place. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Go back to this place. Then you click on, remember to click on this lined paper with this one we did. Remember to click on this one. Click on it, then click duplicate. This duplicate, click on it. So you duplicate it to 120, 119. Remember, this first page will make it 20. It's counted. You will count this first page. So we are going to duplicate it to 119. So let's go. So we have 120 pages here. We have 120 pages here. You see it. So we are going to now save it. So click on download. Remember to save as PDF print. Remember to save as PDF print. Okay, so it's downloading. So guys, this is how to make your hardcover exterior and hardcover interior. It's very very simple. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.